Hi, in today's training, I'm going to be covering how you can easily create a template within Promotions Manager to be able to send an email to your subscriber base. It's really simple. If you've got an account with Campaign Monitor via us, where we've integrated that into the Promotions Manager, you can send it all in the same workflow. If you've got MailChimp, you just need an extra step to be able to copy the code and add it to a MailChimp, but I'll be going through this as well at the end of the session. So for the purposes of today, I'm going to use one of our recent Armchair Travel email templates so that you can just see how you can add content to the email and then add content, add the offers below that. So let's dive in and go through the training. Here's the Armchair Travels email. Some of you will have recognized this if you've been following along. I'm going to just copy the entire amount of text here, which is just by left clicking on my mouse and then just highlighting everything and then right clicking and clicking on copy. And I go back into promotions here and I'm going to put my cursor in here and just click on paste. In fact, I'm going to just do Control V or Control or Command V if you're using a Mac. And you can see that it's just added in all of the text and the images and what have you into the email. I'm just going to put in a title here. So in fact, I'm going to take this title out and I'm just going to put this title in there. And I'm just going to make this the same heading, the same font type. So you might want to add some personalization to the email. So hi Steve, hi Andy. And then if you don't have a first name in your database, in your email lists, then have a fallback. So hi there, that's what I normally use. So in order to add this into the template, what you just need to do is find out from your email provider what the correct parameter is to put in. For ours, for Campaign Monitor, it looks like this. So I'm just going to put in hi first name, and that will take the first name from the database, and then fallback. You need to put in what you want that to say. So I'm going to put it in there. So that just goes hi Steve or hi Andy or whoever the first name is. And then that just personalizes the email. So I've done that. I'm now going to just click on save and next. And in the next screen, you'll see that you can select a number of offers. I've already pre-selected 4 here. Let's just deselect them. If you click on deselect all each time you create an email, then that will make sure that you've cleared all the emails and you can just select what you want. I'm going to just select these top 4 because in fact they all sit in well with the Indian Ocean email that we're sending. So I'm going to select those 4 and I'm going to click to go to step 3, preview your work. And here we are, immediately come to step 3. You can have a look at the email. So you can just click on open another window. So we're going to click on that and click to open another window. And you'll see here, this is what the email will look like. You'll have your logo here and your details at the top. And then this is the email that we copied in, as you can see. And then if we scroll right down to the bottom, you'll see here are the offers, and they're deep linked into your website if you're a website from us, or into a landing page. If you haven't, you just use the promotion system. So if I click on the view offer there, then it'll open up the landing page because we haven't got this connected to the website. So that's how the offers will look in the bottom of your email. So let's go back to promotions and see how we would send this. Now, if you've got a Travel Mail Pro integration with us, then you'll need to first of all, you'll need to have an API key. If you haven't got an API key, you'll need to request one from us. So here I'm going to just put in the title for the email that I'm going to use. So finding your perfect Indian Ocean tropical island. Let's save that campaign. And then it asks me to find my account. So I'm just in a demo account here. And I'm going to choose the demo list. And then I click on next, having selected my account and my list. And it'll take me to the next screen. You just need to click to continue again and just wait a few moments. And you'll see there that your email's been queued. It's sitting in drafts. So it's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to sit in your drafts within the email system. And then we're going to go and have a look and see how we can send it. But you can also schedule it. So in fact, what we'll do with this one is we will schedule it now. I'm going to just choose it's going out next week. I wanted to go out in the afternoon at 1 1 in the afternoon. So if we did that and we scheduled that campaign, it would sit within your email system, and then on the 15th of July, it would send at 1. So that's all you need to do. It's absolutely done. So let me just go and show you, before I do schedule that campaign, I'm going to just go and show you within the email system where that sits when it's being queued in drafts. So I'm just going to access marketing emails from within the CRM. And it loads in list and subscribers. Let's go to campaigns, and you should see here we've got drafts here, and there's the draft there. Let's just click on that draft, and you can see there that's everything. And you can see here, if you want to just preview what that would look like, click on preview, and you'll see here that we've got hi Sarah. So that's the tag that we added in there to the email template. Here's the email. And then scrolling down to the bottom, there are the offers. So really simple. And then if you want to send that, you can just click on schedule delivery within your email manager here. But if you want to send it directly from promotions, then I'm going to just set it up to do that. I'm going to click on schedule this campaign now. Now it's scheduled. So I'm going to come out of this, going to come back into campaigns. And I'm going to go to scheduled, and you can see that there's one again scheduled, and there's my schedule 110, and it's about to go out in 6 days time. Of course, you can always go into that within the email manager, and you can amend it and edit when it's going to send. But it means then that you don't ever have to touch your email system because it's all managed from here. If you've got MailChimp, then we haven't got an integration with MailChimp, so you have to go one step further, and that's to copy the HTML code. What I'm going to do here is just click on here, click to copy the HTML code, and you'll see here that it loads a load of code. Don't need to worry about what that is. Just click on copy HTML code, click on OK, and then come to your MailChimp account, and you'll see here on the right, you'll recognize these widget boxes. You need to grab the one called code and load the code box in there. So we're going to load the code box in there. When it loads, you'll see here it already loads with a little bit of text. You need to remove that text, and then you'll just need to paste the code that we had in there. Now, the one thing that I didn't change here was the tag on there. You'll need to find a different tag for MailChimp to personalize it. But other than that, you can see here that the entire email has been imported, and when you come down to the bottom, there are the offers sitting there as well, and they'll have deep links into your website. So it couldn't be easier to be able to import into MailChimp either. It's just one step further to be able to import via an HTML code. So I hope that's been useful for you in just a quick run through on how to use the email marketing template manager to be able to create emails and send to your subscriber base. If you've got any questions at all, then do just send us an email, get on the support team help desk, and we'll be happy to help you out or give you further training. Thanks so much.